So I finally got this scooter working. The only thing that I had to do to it, because I don't have the ignition key, so I basically rigged it. So I hacked to the, not saying hack to the system, it's the fact that I just got one of these, instead of you having, how you call this? Instead of you having the key, you can use this just to turn on, turn off. It's simple. You just put the negative and positive on this, and you can see. And I also got this charger, because this one did not come with a charger. And I mean, I got it simple enough that I got this charger here. This is like what, 36 something voltage, and you can see that. So it fit. I have no issue with it. It charges the whole scooter up, and the only thing that I did to it is just, instead of the ignition key, I have this on, and I think this is waterproof. All that, but everything is good. I mean, everything works. I mean, all I have to do is just turn it on, and you can see here. I've been riding this around, and I mean, I'm surprised with the battery. It's pretty good on this one. And the lights is on. You can turn it off, turn it on, and you can see that. And here's your signal. And the brakes are awesome on this. So, like, again, I would say this is like a portable scooter. And I'm gonna call it a mini scooter. Now you guys can see how it folds. The Hover-1 hype, I would say. And I mean, even the other just Ignite scooter, yes, it can fold, but it's just enough to just, you know, put the handle down, and that was it. And electric bicycle, and you can see in the back, it folds, but I mean, you're still gonna have square gap to it. But this one is just, you know, if you're gonna go ahead and just park it or anything else, and look how tight. I mean, I would say this is a mini. Yeah, out of the whole thing, I actually enjoy this scooter, man. And now I would say I'm probably gonna go ahead and use it around, and it's just easier for me to ride it around, and especially if I just want to go ahead and put my kid. But I'm just surprised what it can do. All right, guys, that's my setup here. Let's go ahead and ride the scooter around, and we're gonna go ahead and see what this thing can do. Go from here. Riding the scooter. Woo! Go off-road. Off-road. Yeah, off-road. Yeah, so this scooter is pretty awesome, man. I have my son here with me, and it's the fact that I can just ride around, not having any issue with it. So I'm not going fast. I'm only going about like 8 miles an hour. So this is about, I would say, you can actually put like 200 or around 300 something pounds in this. I'm surprised on this scooter, the maximums. But you know, I have my kid with me here, and I like it because I don't have to use a wagon, or I don't have to put in a bike and have to, I mean, you know, everything's fit. Whew, that was fun. Whew. It's riding good. So if you're like a dad, just want to ride your scooter with you, and I think the scooter mini will be ideal, especially now. There might be a deal. You probably don't have to worry about so much not to worry about getting it for a lot of money, I would say. And just the speed is comfortable too. So the only thing that I'm having issue with here is the way my foot are positioned. You can see my legs, and I'm just not used to that. But I mean, I get a hang of it riding it around this scooter. But you can see the fat tires. I mean, it can handle. I mean, it can go to gravels. It can go to grass. I mean, it depends where you ride it at. But I mean, it can go to 20 miles an hour. But I have my son with me, so I'm just going like 8 miles, maybe like 7 miles an hour. So. But so far so good. I mean, it's really comfortable. I mean, I'm just surprised what this scooter can do, especially the portability and how it can just put in your car. So basically, you got no excuse riding this around. I mean, you know, especially just you can just carry it with you, or you can just put it whatever you need to bring it to. And yeah, it's really comfortable. I mean, you know, I actually enjoyed it. And this is actually my ride around, and I'm just surprised how the battery life is good on this one too also. So just go ahead and look around. You might get a better deal, you might get it less, you know. That's what I would do. I mean, this scooter's been out for like, I would say like 3 years now, so you probably get like super discount, and you never know what you guys will find or search in the web. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.